A very good morning, my dear students. So we have already started the revision, and we are first. I dealt with some questions. Today again I'll be dealing some questions on linear equation. Let me take this question. Now this question is from me and mine. This is question number 4, the sixth part, the last part, and page number is 36. Okay, let me start the class. Now this you can see very well. 4x plus 3 by 4 minus in the bracket x minus 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to x plus 1 by 3. Let me do this question. How to begin? Let me first multiply this sign with this. Okay? Now here it is. Now this implies 4x plus 3 divided by 4 minus x plus 2x minus 1 by 3 equal to x plus 1 by 3. I am trying to make this equation simple, and how to get the value x? You try that one. Now this is 4x plus 3 by 4, this is minus x, and this is 2x minus 1 by 3, and this is x. All the x I will bring it together. So 4x plus 3 by 4 plus 2x minus 1 by 3 minus x is equal to 1 by 3. Correct? After this, what I am going to do is, now minus x is 2x, okay? So what I am going to do is, I will take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 3. When I am saying 4 and 3, I mean the LCM of denominator. Here the LCM is, here the denominator is 1. So LCM of 4, 3 and 1 is 12. 12 divided by 4, answer is 3, so you multiply 3 here. 4x plus 3, 12 divided by 3, answer is 4, so multiply 4 here, 2x minus 1, and this is minus 2x, so, but there is no number here, number is there, that number is 1, so 12 divided by 1, answer is 1, so it will be 12 into minus 2x. Is equal to 1 by 3. Minus x is minus 2x. I am doing it in a shorter way because so that the space is very less. That's why. So minus x is minus 2x, and minus 2x multiplied with this LCM 12. Why 12? Because 12 divided by 1 is 12, so 12 is multiplied. I think these are the very fundamental things that you know very well. Now after this what to do? I'll drop this one, the first step. I'll drop the second step also. After this you multiply 3 into 4, 12x plus 9 plus 8x minus 4, again minus 12, minus into minus is plus. So 12 into 2 is 24x divided by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. This is clear? There should be a problem. Now 12x plus 8x is 17x plus 24x is 41x. Alright, bring it together. Actually we are supposed to bring it together, but since here the space is less, here it is 12x plus 8x plus 24x, then plus 9 minus 4. This is all our x, okay? Plus 9 minus 4, and this 12 will multiply here, 1 by 3 into 12. Now you get the value of x from here. So half I did for you, half you try yourself. How to get the value of x from here? Now I think you can do it. So I made the equation very simple and solve this. So whenever you have a very critical equation, a complicated equation, it might look you very complicated. So first you make it simple, and then get the value of x. Okay? Just have a look. Okay, the next question is question number 4, that is given in page number 41. The book is the same book, Me and Mine. Alright. Now Let me read the question. Sum sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. The number obtained by interchanging the digit exceeds the given number by 27. Find the number. Now, you see the words here, sum of the digits of two-digit number. This is one word. Is 9. Alright, two-digit number. Two-digit number means like 36, 73, 84, 99. These are two-digit number. So there is a ones place and tens place. So when they interchange the digit, for example 73, when 73 it becomes 37, interchanging 73, 37, change of interchanging the digits. 73, 37, interchanging the digits. Just an example. Interchanging the digits exceeds the given number by 27. Exceeds the given number by 27 means it becomes more. It becomes more than the given number by 27. So let us start this. Let us start the solution. How to do this? How to get the solution? Now, the very first thing what we have to do, we have to assume let the unit place be x. Alright, let the unit place be x. Now, since this chapter is based on linear algebra, linear equation in one variable, so we cannot take two variables. But we know that if one number is if one number is x, that means if the sum of digits is 9, then what is the next digit? If 1 is x, the next digit will be 9 minus x. Alright, so we have to follow in this way. So let the digit in unit place be x. I am writing UP, okay, bx, because it will not fit here. So let the digit in unit place be x. So what is tens place then? Will be 10 into 9 minus x, because sum of digit is 9. If one is x, the other digit will be 9 minus x. So let the tens place. So tens place means you have to multiply by 10. So what is the number? So what is the given number? 10, 9 minus x plus x. Now this is the number. This is the number. Now what happens in the next number? You can say original number or the given number. What happens next? The number obtained by interchanging the digit exceeds the given number by 27. It exceeds the given number by 27. So if the digits are interchanged, that is called new number. I am putting as new number. That means x will come here and 9 minus x will go that side. So there is a change. X has come here and 9 minus x gone to that side. It means x has come to a tens place and the tens place has gone to unit place. After this, please have a look because I'll rub this now. After this, what we are supposed to do? So what is the given number? What was the given number? Given number was 10, 9 minus x plus x. And what is the new number? This is the new number. 10x plus 9 minus x. Alright. Now see here. What is the statement? The new number obtained. The number obtained. That is the new number obtained by interchanging the digits exceeds the given number by 27. Exceeds the given number. Now this is the given number. Okay. Exceeds the given by 27. So that means this is a new number. This new number is greater than the original number by 27. So I will add plus 27 here. And then you solve the equation. 90 minus 10x plus x plus 27, 10x plus 9 minus x. After this I will not solve, after this you will solve. Get the value of x. Once you get the value of x, what you will do? What is the given number? Given number was 10, 9 minus x plus x. Once you get the value of x, put it here and here, simplify, you will get the original number. Clear? But this part you do yourself. Why I have taken this question? Because it becomes very difficult when you have this kind of questions, how to solve this. You have to understand, first of all, you have to understand what is two-digit number. What do you understand that by meaning this exceeds? Okay. You have to understand all this. Clear? This is very important. Again, interchanging the digits. Again, this is another word. You have to understand. Because of this, I have taken this question. Otherwise, simplifying, solving and getting the value of x is not that difficult. You can do it. Okay, my dear students, I think I should end here now. Have a great weekend and a very great day. But keep yourself fit and fine. Okay. These days, you know, the corona is spreading everywhere. So whenever you go out and wherever you go out, put a mask and go. Okay. And keep always happy and fit, so that you can do all the homeworks nicely. Not only the homeworks, other activities also. First of all, you should not go out, and if you are going out also, keep yourself fit and fine and take proper precaution like putting the mask, maintain social distance, all those things. Okay, thank you.